सो वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. दिस इज़ योर फ्रेंड योर दोस्त तुमचा मित्र अजिंक्य. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. काफ़ी अरसे बाद ये वो भी आज बोल रहा हूँ. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट. सो आज का ब्लॉग आपने देख लिया कि ट्रेलर कैसा था. जैसे मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था आफ्टर माई लास्ट ब्लॉग की अभी सारे के सारे वीडियोज़ में अपना छोटा पैकेट ड्रोन रहेगा ही वैसे ही. सो it's a beautiful resort. This is my second visit actually. So I am at the Club Mahindra Assonora, which is at Assonora. That's the only property in north for Club Mahindra. Otherwise, rest of the properties are on the south part, which is near Madgaon. So काफ़ी सही property है ये. मतलब I would say कि though it's away from the beaches, okay, but still it keeps you completely occupied कि तुम ये नहीं सोचो कि yes I am in Goa और मैं बीच पे नहीं हूँ और I can't have that amusement of beaches. So if you want to roam around on the north part of Goa away from the crowded beaches, so this is a very nice scenic resort amidst the mountains और काफ़ी सही है. सो रूम्स थोड़े से चेंजेस किए हुए ये लोग ने फ्रॉम द लास्ट विज़िट व्हाट आई डिड ऑन आई सपोज़ मैं कुछ 20 में आया था 2020 में. हाँ 2021 में आया था सॉरी. नाउ इट्स 23. सो सम चेंजेस. जो रूम टूर आपको करा देता हूँ मैं एंड रिजॉर्ट टूर भी करा देता हूँ एंड लेट्स सी देन हाउ इट लुक्स. व्हाट आर द चेंजेस थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मैं बता दूंगा आपको. सो लेट्स एंजॉय. सो दैट्स द एंट्रेंस. काफ़ी स्पेशियस प्लेस है. दिस इज अ डेस्क वेयर यू कैन कम एंड डू योर चेक इन फॉर्मेलिटीज. यू हैव अ लाइव सिंगर. This is the lounge area where you get your welcome drinks when you come down. They have a small coffee shop, a tuck shop, that's Johar, as we get it every time at all the properties. So you can buy souvenirs over here. It's theme based, Goan based souvenirs you will get over here. Near the entrance छोटा लॉन है. छोटा लॉन नहीं कह सकते, काफ़ी बड़ा है. काफ़ी नाइस. यू कैन हैव योर मॉर्निंग वॉक्स अमिक्स द नेचर. छोटा ट्रेल भी बनाया है वो लोग ने. सो जस्ट अ वॉक अहेड ऑफ द मेन एंट्रेंस यू हैव द हैप्पी हब वेयर यू गेट साइकिल्स, an electric bike also, and ये अपना हैप्पी हब है. so let's have a check. so that's the happy hub and different activities का चार्ट यहाँ पे mentioned है. you have something for kids, an indoor short area, फूसबॉल है यहाँ पे, कैरम, चेस, ऑल इंडोर गेम्स आर अवेलेबल. मैट्स है इफ़ यू वांट टू डू योगाज एंड एवरीथिंग, वो सब भी अवेलेबल. सो नाउ इज़ द पार्ट फॉर द किड्स. सो ये अपना लेज़ी रिवर है. सो वी मुंबईकर्स माइट बी अवेयर, जो अपना वाटर किंगडम में लेज़ी रिवर है वैसा यहाँ पे ये लेज़ी रिवर है. So you can just lie down and enjoy the ride. And next is for the kids. So this is the kids area. So this is above the lazy river actually. और ये काफ़ी मस्त लगता है when you go underneath the water. And this is colorful in the night. This is the start of the lazy river. और इसके exact bank besides यहाँ पे you have the kids pool 3 and 4 feet वाला. Okay. So I don't want to disturb the privacy of the people enjoying there, इसलिए मैं दूर से बता रहा हूँ. And over here is your kids area. और यहाँ से अगर ऊपर जाएंगे then we have the main pool. So let's see the main pool. ये वाला काफ़ी रिफ्रेशिंग है. when you sit inside the water you will enjoy the pressure of the water. काफ़ी अच्छा मसाज हो जाता है. This is your lazy river. तो जहाँ जहाँ आप जाओगे वहाँ वहाँ आपको ये lazy river दिखता रहेगा. This is the main pool. So यहाँ पे ये bubble bath शुरू हो जाता है on the steps. And that's your main pool. A pool bar and a seating area. काफ़ी नेचर के करीब रखा हुआ है ये रिजॉर्ट. ब्यूटिफिकेशन जो किया हुआ है ना, दे आर वेरी नाइस. कंप्लीटली लश ग्रीन देखो. एंड दैट पार्ट इज़ ब्यूटीफुल ऑफ दिस रिजॉर्ट. मतलब आई हैव स्टेड इन वारका. लास्ट अपना वारका हुआ है, एमरल्ड हुआ है, बट स्टिल आई फाइंड दिस एज अ वेरी वेरी नाइस प्रॉपर्टी. So this is my room. So I will show you because this time I was just with my wife and my kid. So we had taken the smallest. That's the house unit. So as you enter, you have a small galley area. Keep your bags, a mini bar, over here, a kettle to heat your water, some tea, coffee, and then I will come down to the washroom later. First let's see the bed. So this is your bed. So this is actually quite a huge bed. देखो. So around 3 people can easily accommodate. And beautifully done. You feel like yes, you are somewhere on the beach side, though it's not on the beach, but still. A tea, coffee, table, an extra sofa cum bed. So this comes out, so another person can sleep over here comfortably. And this is how the room looks. So I'm working actually, so I will be using this area and this area for my work. A 40-inch TV for your entertainment. And this is something new what they have, I think so, introduced. So this is sensored switch, okay, and which you can use it while you are staying over here. Apart from which they have introduced another app. So they have started something new which is called White, WHYTE. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not being paid for that, but just asking because I was the first person to start or use that thing when I came down over here. So so on that actually you can you can what we say, you can use that app to completely set up your room. So for an example, lights ho, TV ho, AC ho, whatever things you can, if you require something, cutleries, crockeries, tea, coffee, that all you can actually order it from the app itself. Food, room dinings, everything you can order it over there. So that's a good thing which they have introduced. One stop बोलते हैं ना, one stop चीज़ जहाँ पे आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो. So that's a good. That's about the room. I will show you the washroom. That's the one thing which we are left. So that's your washroom. Nice glass panel. And here I am. That's your WC. So they have another type of washroom where this door is not there. They have a sliding. So this actually thing slides over here, which looks very nice. So that's about the room, house unit. Rest, bias and the studios, you are aware about that. I will try to see if I can get one to show you if possible. The rooms, the service is also very good. Okay, housekeeping ho ya baki sari cheeze, they are very nice. We had Akshay with us, who was here for us while our stay. Hi Akshay, thank you for your services and it means a lot. Last time I was there was another person, but this time it's Akshay who looked after everything. Thank you Akshay. So I will show you a typical BR, one BR, because I wanted to see a BR how it looks now than the last I visited. So once you enter, you have your cupboard and your safe. Okay, so this is your cupboard. Your bag area, and once you enter, this is your small dining area, a lounge and a TV. Okay, so this is a bit bigger one, bigger sofa cum bed compared to the one which we had seen in the house unit. And then we'll go and see the bedroom. So this is our bedroom. So that's your cupboard, so which will be having your safe, and this is your bedroom. So every room has introduced this new setup of lights, the sensored lights, and they are very nice. I used it for my stay for 3 days. And that's your washroom. So this is possibly a connecting room, so that's why there is one door over here and that door will open from that end. So that is also nice for a larger families. If we require a connecting room, adjacent rooms, that is an option also available. If you remember, last time our room was over here in near about 2000 या इस बाजू कहीं पे भी था. So this time our room is bang near the entrance. So इसलिए यहाँ पे आना हुआ ही नहीं. मैंने सोचा चलो आपको एक राउंड करा दूँ ये एरिया का. But this is beautiful. This time they have completely modified. There are many multiple things which they have changed this time. Otherwise, as usual, the property is very nice. So apart from that, let's see. Rooms हो गया, happy hub हो गया, a round of the property भी हो गया. I was actually trying for drone shots, okay, but drone shots में ऐसा है कि there is some privacy issue. And yes, definitely, why not? Everyone has their own private time. So they said that okay, you require multiple permissions. So मैंने सोचा चलो whatever shots I have got वो मैं ट्राई किया आपको दिखाना. Otherwise it's beautiful. This property is very nice. And छोटा ही ब्लॉग है इस बार मैंने बनाया बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टू दिस प्रॉपर्टी. सो देयर वे deeply I have already gone in my last vlog. So still I have tried to capture multiple things in this also. So hope you like it. And yes, if you like it, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. आप वीडियोस देखते हो but you don't subscribe to the channel. So I would urge you, do subscribe to the channel. Okay. So till the meantime, see you in the next vlog. तब तक के लिए टाटा, bye bye, see you and enjoy the vlogs.